Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive LE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in a ruby flare pearl color. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your LE package is your backup camera as well as your heated front seats and your Bluetooth connectivity to keep up with your busy lifestyle. But why don't we hop on inside and take a look at the interior features. Helping you into your RAV4 is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening it up to take a look. Right away, you're greeted by a very sporty interior. On the side, you do have your power windows and your power locks, as well as some additional storage. You also have your power adjustable side mirrors, your interior lights, the brightness, as well as your lane departure alert and your rear locking differentials. Below, you can see you have a full set of all-weather floor mats, and check out these super comfortable, soft black cloth interiors all throughout. That really just add to the ultimate driving experience in your RAV4. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your RAV4, simply put your foot on the brake and your key in the ignition. That dashboard's gonna light up with that cool welcome screen. Taking a look at your multi-information display, you can see that it's open to your Toyota Safety Sense features, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. Things like your lane departure alert, you can turn on and off the sensor, as well as set the sensitivity, as well as your pre-collision system with a pedestrian detection, setting the sensitivity and turning on and off that alert. You also do have your volume control, your hands-free calling, your intuitive voice command, and on the side here you have your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set your cruise control from below here. Definitely going to be nice to have for that highway driving. Up here you can see you have your audio system with your CD player on top. You also do have your AM/FM radio, your USB auxiliary input, and your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen here. A really nice feature to have to keep everybody nice and safe. Below, you can see that you have your stylish climate control. It is equipped with that air conditioning. Definitely going to be a nice feature to have, especially during those hot summer months. Below here, you can see you have your Eco and Sport Drive mode, as well as your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger, plus those heated mirrors so you're ready for those Alberta winters. You have your USB auxiliary input, as well as your 12-volt DC charger. Plenty of media storage below, as well as your stylish shift knob with that leather trim on your parking brake. Inside your center console here, you have that top shelf for any smaller items, as well as plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have your open shelving unit, plus that leather that stretches all the way across your dashboard just to tie everything together. And of course, inside your glove box, you can find your manuals to know everything there is to know about your RAV4, plus storing anything else you need in your SUV. Plenty of fun and sporty features built right into your vehicle, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your RAV4. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy out there. You also do have your backup camera available below to help you in and out of those tight spots. Opening up that lift gate now. Plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. Your RAV4 also comes equipped with a tonneau cover to offer just the right amount of privacy for everything in the back. Below here you can find your spare tire with your tools and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You also do have your tonneau cover storage on the side here. When you take these pieces off, it just fits nicely in there so that you don't have to leave home without it anymore. You also do have your cargo lamp in there for visibility, and closing it up now, simply pull that handle down and we'll back up to take one more look at the back of your RAV4. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive LE. Built right into your SUV is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to keep you driving nice and safe. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.